In this video, I will show you step by step how I made $7,210 in commission just in one single month on affiliate marketing using YouTube. I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube, how do I use free traffic without investing any money in paid ads, and just by using free traffic from YouTube to earn this commission. I made this commission in the month of May, from the first day of May until the last day of May. I made $7,210. In today's video, guys, I will share with you everything, and I will share with you my methods that I'm using for free. And you just need to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information and the methods that I will share with you. And let's get started. So to start making money with affiliate marketing on YouTube, step number one, go to Google, okay? Search for Fiverr. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So all you have to do is you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying a good commission, guys, and you can make a lot of money with this affiliate marketing business. So to join Fiverr affiliate, just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language, okay? If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. It's gonna take just a few minutes. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates dashboard, okay? So what you will do next is you need to choose good services that you will promote on YouTube to earn commission, okay? So how you can find good services? All you have to do is you just need to go and open your YouTube homepage. Go to your YouTube homepage like this and click over here on the search and ask question. So for example, you will ask how to do Facebook, for example, Facebook ads. And here you go. YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to do Facebook ads for local business, how to do Facebook ads for Shopify, how to do Facebook ads for drop shipping. Those people who are searching for this service, okay, who are searching for these topics, let me show you. They will be interested to buy this service. Go back to your homepage on Fiverr and click on the search for Facebook ads, okay? Search for Facebook ads like this. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link. So for example, I'm gonna choose, so this one looking a really good, top rated seller. I will click on his service. This seller is a really good seller. He has 14 orders in queue. That's a really good. People already buying this service and that's really good. What you will do, you will copy this seller profile link. You will go back to your home page on Fiverr affiliates, to your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, reports, payments. Click on marketing tools. Click on default and deep links, okay? You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do now is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, okay? So before we do that, we need to create a content or video that we will use to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. How you can create this video? So here is what you will do. You will go back to this seller profile page, okay, and scroll down, okay, click over here and click on his picture. So you will turn your screen recording on. You will screen recording the feedback of his customers. Okay, so just turn your screen recording on, okay, on your laptop, and keep clicking here. So for example, you will create slideshow video. It should be like this, okay, showing his the feedback of his customers who already paid for this service. As you can see, those customers are satisfied. Okay, very quality work. That's really good. Absolutely impressed. This one is really satisfied. And as you can see, those customers are satisfied with this service. Okay, they are happy with the result. So we will create slideshow video like this. You will screen recording his customers feedback. Okay, like this. Good to work with you. And as you can see, those people are satisfied. And after you finish, you will record this video. After you finish, go to Google, okay, and search for Canva, okay, like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on video. You will be directly in this page over here. Click on upload. Click on upload file and upload the video that you recorded. Okay, so I already recorded this video here. So just click on your video. Your video will be over here. Click on these 3 points and click on set video as background. And here you go. Let me see. So you will not have any issue copyright with YouTube. Don't worry about any problems with YouTube because you are creating your own videos. So no one will ask you for something. It's because you are making your own videos. Okay, so don't worry. As you can see, this video is showing the feedback of those customers who already paid for this service. That's really good. What you will do next, you will click on text, scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. For example, I'm going to use this one. Click on the text style that you want to use in your video. It will delete the second one and they will decrease the font size of this text and they will put this text here. Double click on the text and write this: check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, and that's it. Super easy. Put this text here, go over here to elements. Okay, scroll down and click on this ship. Click on color, choose black color and put this ship behind your text like this. It's easy. And here you go. So people who will watch your video on YouTube, they will see this: check link in my description. Okay. If they check this video, they will see the feedback of these customers. They are really happy with the results. Then they will check your description. They will click on your affiliate link. And if they buy this service from your affiliate link, you will earn commission. Okay. So all you have to do now is you need to click on share and click on download. And this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel. To create a YouTube channel, it's gonna take just 1 minute. You just need to use your email address and that's it. Put this title for your video: how to do Facebook ads. Just like this. Don't add or change anything. Copy and paste how to do Facebook ads and that's it. Okay? How to do Facebook ads step by step, for example, or how to do Facebook ads for your business, or how to do Facebook ads step by step. This is better. In your YouTube description, put this. If you are searching for how to do Facebook ads, check out this top rated seller on Fiverr. He will help you to create an amazing Facebook ads campaign, successful Facebook ads campaign for your business. And go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and copy your affiliate link from here. So if you guys just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have all the Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I'm promoting my affiliate links. It's been a really long time. That's why I still have this option. But for you, you should see this with new updates. You should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. And that's it. Start creating a lot of content for your affiliate links. Start promoting your affiliate links on YouTube. There is no limit on YouTube. You can upload as many videos as you can per day. If you create, and the more videos you can create, the more you will make a lot of money. The more your chance will be high to earn commission. Okay, and it's already working, guys. Okay, as you can see, this seller has 14 orders in queue. Which people are buying this service? Of course, those people who are searching for how to do Facebook ads. They don't know exactly how to do it. So this seller, he has experience and he is top rated seller. He can create those Facebook ads campaign for those people. Okay. And YouTube has, did you know that YouTube has 32 billion monthly visitors? 32 billion monthly visitors. YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number one and YouTube is number two. And millions of people every single day are using YouTube to search for specific services, topics, products, and so much more. If you do it correctly, if you start using this method, you can make a lot of money. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. If you are interested to make more money with affiliate marketing, just comment affiliate marketing in this video. And I will start, guys, sharing with you a lot of methods, how you can promote your affiliate links on TikTok, how you can promote your affiliate links on Google, how you can promote your affiliate links on Instagram Reels, and so much more for free. So just comment affiliate marketing and see you in my next videos.